I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bit Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bit Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on three dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bit Assist logo. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Actions. FlowMattic. Give here the webhook link. So go to the FlowMattic WordPress panel. Click on Webhook. Copy the webhook URL. And capture the webhook data. Go to the integration site and paste that URL here. Body. Send all data. Choose Application JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully done. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to the FlowMattic site. And choose your desired action. I am choosing MailChimp. Choose an action event. Connect to MailChimp. For Authorize with MailChimp, complete all the process. Select an audience list. Map the respective fields. Subscription status. Save and test action. Save workflow. Now click on the left button and keep the workflow live. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your MailChimp site. Here you can see the data came successfully in MailChimp. So, in this way, you can send your data via FlowMattic. Thanks for watching.